Do you want to know how to make money online without surveys? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and if you have watched any of my other videos, you will know that I have a lot of videos and tutorials and reviews of survey sites where you can get paid to share your opinion, but I also have a lot of videos about other ways you can use to earn some side cash online. And I quite often get asked about ways to make money online that does not involve surveys, because there can be reasons you do not want to take surveys. Either you just do not want to, or you live in a country where there are not many available, or your profile just doesn't make it possible to qualify for many, or whatever reason. There can be many reasons. So therefore, in this video, I will show you two approaches to making money online without taking surveys. One that is completely free, that you can get started with right away, and then another that takes a bit more effort, but the earning potential of that is also a lot bigger. So let's get started. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to make side cash online. So let's start with the first approach I want to show you today, and that is completely free and you can start earning today, and that is by using what's called Get Paid To sites. Many of them offers paid service, but they also offer a lot of other micro tasks you can do online where you can earn without taking any surveys. And I will show you some examples of tasks you can do there. Here I'm, for example, on a platform where you can just click and watch some content for 60 seconds or shorter, and then you will earn a bit like that, and there are plenty of tasks like that. Another option is here where you can play some games. There are plenty of platforms that give you the option to download and play games and earn by doing that. Also, there are many platforms that make it possible for you to earn by watching videos. You can see there are videos in all kind of different categories, and I also have a video on my YouTube channel here if you prefer just watching videos that shows the best sites just for that. But that is a great way, easy way. It doesn't give huge earnings, but it is very interesting and it can be fun and easy. There are also all kind of other small tasks here through something called Appen, and you can see there are kind of data entry tasks, and the more you take, the more you will earn and the more that will be available. So those kind of tasks are definitely also great to take to earn a bit extra. And there are plenty of sites that also offer you to just download apps and earn by doing that. So these were just examples of small tasks you can do and earn on Get Paid To sites without taking surveys. And there are a lot of other kind of tasks that you can do to earn. So there are some tasks you can do no matter where you live and no matter your interest, and you can get started today. And if you want to see the best Get Paid To sites, I have a full list on that on my website that shows a lot of them, and I keep updating it with new Get Paid To sites you can join completely for free and start earning today. So if this is your chosen approach, you can check that out through the link below this video once you have seen the second method I'm going to present to you, so you're sure that this is the approach you want to follow. But let's now get into the second approach, and then you can decide for yourself what the best method for you is to make a bit of extra money online. So the second approach I want to show you is a bit more involved, but it also has a huge potential if you're willing to put in the effort. And I wanted to show you this in case you're more interested in creating a business asset that can potentially grow into a full-time income with enough effort. And it is actually possible to learn how to build a business by selling products on Amazon. It is not as difficult as it sounds. There are a lot of processes you can follow to learn how to find the right products that people are interested in and how to get them ranked so people find them on Amazon, and how to even have these products produced and shipped and all these things. And with effort, you can build a real business like this. This is called building an Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon business. And if you're interested in creating more of an online business, this can be an option for you. But I also want to reveal that I am not an Amazon FBA expert, so I'm not the right person to teach you about this. But I have a very good friend called Steven, and him and his business partner, they have literally made millions by selling on Amazon through this. And Steven has agreed to give out this free guide if you want to know more about how to start an Amazon business. And he will show you 10 tips to get started and take you through everything step by step. And it is completely free, and he is really an expert. So if you want to learn more about Amazon FBA and starting a business like that, it is definitely worth checking that out. I will leave a link to this guide below here. All you have to do is to just enter your email and then send the free guide, and you will receive it right away. and then you can go through that step by step and learn if this is the right option for you to create a business or not. If you want to know more about an Amazon FBA, Steven is definitely the go-to guy, and I'm very pleased that he's actually agreed to share this free guide. So if you're interested in this, I hope that you will enjoy the guide as well. So I hope these two approaches has given you some idea about the opportunities there are to make money online without taking surveys, and there are both completely free methods that you can start earning today, and then there are also methods where you can invest more time and potentially build it into a full-time business if this is what your goal is. So I hope this video has given you some more idea about what options there are, and I will leave links below this video both to the list of the best free get paid to sites and also to the guide to get started with Amazon FBA if that is your chosen approach. So make sure to check that out below this video, and also leave a comment if you have any questions or any concerns or anything like that, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to make side cash online.